The road back to the field was going to be long, and it was filled with physical and psychological demons. The road to recovery is a lonely place. It's a million miles away from the bright lights and the roar of 60,000 fans. It's a world of boring rehab exercises, of pushing through pain in an empty gym, and fighting the mental battles that creep in when you're forced to watch your teammates from the sidelines. Sasha admitted that he'd been injured before and knew the drill, but this time it was different. He was at a crossroad. He could let the frustration swallow him whole, or he could use this time to rebuild himself from the ground up. During this dark period, a coach gave him a book that would completely change his mindset, Relentless, by Tim Grover, the legendary trainer for Michael Jordan and Kobe Bryant. Sasha devoured it, soaking up the mentality of the world's greatest athletes. He reads about how Jordan and Kobe faced their own huge challenges and used them as fuel. It was a revelation. In this high contact sports we play, there are always going to be setbacks, he realized, but the best players have experienced these setbacks and used them as fuel to come back as even better players. So I thought, why not me?